Walt Disney Home Video has brought your family the most wonderful stories of friendship, like Bambi, Pinocchio, and 101 Dalmatians. And now, coming to home video for the very first time, the Walt Disney movie classic, The Fox and the Hound. It's the unforgettable story of two friends, Todd.
I'm a fox.
And Copper.
I'm a hound dog.
Two friends who didn't know they were supposed to be enemies.
Copper's gonna come back a trained hunting dog.
But growing up has led them on different paths.
We're still friends, aren't we? Those days are over. I'm a hunting dog now.
And now, their friendship and loyalty will face the ultimate challenge.
It's that fox again!
The Fox and the Hound.
After him, boys!
They're after Todd!
I'll let you go this one time.
ABC TV called it a landmark Disney film. And now on video, you can share with your family this breathtaking story of courage, loyalty, and friendship.
Beautiful!
For a limited time this spring, you can add this classic movie to your collection. Walt Disney's The Fox and the Hound on video cassette.
And we'll always be friends forever.
Everyone loves a great story. And now Disney's Favorite Stories collection brings you 4 fun-filled classic children's stories on video cassette. First, there's adventure in every twist and turn of Mickey and the Beanstalk.
I sold the cow for some magic beans.
Where Mickey Mouse and his friends try bravely to rescue the golden harp from a very big giant.
E-5-O-Bum.
It's a tall tale with a really smashing ending. Then, a hunting we all go in the timeless story of Peter and the Wolf. Come along with this band of fearless friends as they set out to bag a big bad wolf. It's a memorable musical journey and a wild pursuit that will have you rooting for Peter and his brave pals. Plus, there's lots of fun and thrills to follow in The Legend of Sleepy Hollow.
It's the new schoolmaster. What's his name?
Ichabod. Ichabod Crane.
He's a popular school teacher with a huge appetite for life, but when he bites off more than he can chew, Ichabod just might not have a ghost of a chance. And there's double trouble throughout the kingdom in The Prince and the Pauper. It's Mickey Mouse and Mickey Mouse.
Which one is which?
When a wealthy prince and a poor peasant decide to change places,
If my friends could see me now.
He's an imposter.
it's a case of mistaken identity that's twice as much fun.
What a time I've...
Treat yourself to 4 timeless tales filled with lots of laughs and fun. The Favorite Stories collection from Walt Disney Home Video. And now our feature program.